Sir, ba masasabi ninyo na lalo pa kayong nainganyo na ituloy ang pagtakbo sa 2020 presidential election?
Nasagot ko na ata iyang kanina sa question ni Sir na nakaitim. Sir.
Number one in the articles of impeachment was your assassination threat to the president. Do you regret making that statement last time?
I did not make an assassination threat to the president. Sila lang nagsasabi niyan. Sila lang nagsasabi may assassination. Sila nagsasabi may assassin, may gunman.
Next po, GDB.
Not say that.
Sola.
Confident kayo sa numbers ng House and sabi nyo, hindi kayo confident. And nagkatotoo nga, ngayon sa Senate, you said na parang meron kayong confidence sa mga senador. So, ngayon, how do you feel about that? Do you still feel confident with the numbers in the Senate?
Sandali, Mama. Kailan ko sinabi yun may confidence ako sa numbers sa Senate? Ano exact na sinabi ko? Sorry I cannot remember the exact words that I used.
Parang medyo confident kayo with regards sa Senate, sa mga friends and allies.
Unlikely ako magsasabi ng ganyan ba? Pero I need the... I will answer that next time.
Sa Senate. Supposedly, you-receive nila yung impeachment complaint the other day, pero nag-close sila kagad because of the last session.
Well, that is their prerogative as a body, no? So, we have to respect the Senate kung ano yung desisyon nila. Dahil sila yung mga nandoon sa loob.
So far, you feel assured about your allies in the Senate?
We haven't talked. I have not talked to my friends in the Senate. Wala.
Last question, please.
Bakit?
Sabi daw po niya, she opposed to impeachment daw po.
Bakit kaya? Maybe we should ask. Maybe we should ask her first. Bakit niya i-block yung impeachment?
How do you feel po? Sabi ni BBM, hindi niya supportado yung impeachment, pero number one na, unang-unang pumirma yung anak niya.
Consulted actually.
Kasi sabi, ito lang daw basahin ko. Yan, ang daming nagbabantay sa gilid.
Nausap niyo na ba yung father niyo after your impeachment?
Wala pa. But nagpadala ako ng message through sa kanyang assistant and sinabi ko na